What's going on, everybody? Cody from Matt Vapes Easily here. Got a new video for today. The game is right. What's going on, y'all? So I got a quick video for you on something new that we got in. Not necessarily new to the vape community, but everybody needs one of these. In the past, we've had some kits that have been slightly unaffordable for some people. Like, I mean, $55 is a lot of money, I guess. So this is like, how much is this, Connor? Useless. I think it's like 15, 20 bucks. But this is a build kit for RDAs, RTAs, RDTAs, RBAs, everything. So this one is from Geek Vape. So here it is. So you've got, of course, your pliers, you've got your snips, you've got your ceramic tweezers that also have that thing that's very helpful for getting like tanks and stuff off of your box. You've got scissors. These are your pins for your coil jig right here. And then you've got two beefy screwdrivers. Actually, I really like the fact that these are beefy. I don't know if I have carpal tunnel or like, I don't know what's wrong, but most of these screwdrivers come and they're like that thin, and I just can't hold on to that when I'm trying to tighten something real well. So I like the thickness. Ooh, the thickness. Oh, yeah, I like the thickness of it. So then you've got your usual set of scissors. You just pull these out like that, pop them open, and snip away. I'm crazy. But, so yeah, you got those. The ceramic tweezers, these are probably my favorite thing in the kit. I use my set of ceramic tweezers pretty much every day when I'm building or something like that for a customer. But, I like the fact that they're ceramic. That means you can hold on to the coil while you're heating it. It helps you shape them a little bit easier. And then this tool on the bottom here, you can actually wrap it around tanks and stuff, and that'll help you get them off of the box. So definitely another useful tool, wouldn't you say, my dear Connor? All right, boy. So then you've got your coil jig. These are pretty straightforward. Pretty much what you'll have is you're going to unscrew this piece right here. Take your little doodle mahicker. We're going to do 30. So then you put that in there, slide this back down, grab your 30 turner here, and then what you're going to do is you'll run your wire through these little snake holes right here, and they'll come out the top. Do one wrap by yourself, then take that bad boy and start turning and burning, and you will have a perfect coil every time. I do this a lot. I use a coil jig a lot for customer builds. Just so it comes out smooth, even, and, you know, just looks good. It's presentation. Who cares if it vapes good? It's just how it looks. But, yeah, so that's it. Yeah, quality over vapor quantity kind of thing, you know. But, yeah, so I think this is a solid kit, especially for somebody that wants to build but doesn't want, like, all the bells and whistles. It's definitely a good bare bones starter kit. When I started vaping and building, they didn't have stuff like this. So, like, all of my stuff came from Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever I could find Ace, the helpful place. Anything like that. So I kind of just had to, like, mercenary stuff into, you know, into, like, working. So it's good to have all of this in a kit that's definitely affordable. I've turned a video into a 3.5 minute kind of deal, so I'm feeling pretty good. If you have any questions about anything we have, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and be sure to get back to you, all right? Peace.